Andito tayo ngayon sa Damandara subdivision in Silang, Cavite to check a new foreclosed house and lot. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check this out. So ito po yung property. Ayan. House and lot po siya. Actually duplex. May katabi po siya. Ayun o. May improvement na yung katabi niya. Kaya may nakatira po dyan. Ayan. Corner po siya. Total lot area po nito is 107 square meters. Ang floor area niya is 60 square meters. 3 bedrooms po siya sa taas. Okay? 3 bedrooms. So tingnan natin, pasukin natin, ha. So ito yung ano niya. Dito pwede kayo mag-extend ng parking dito. Ayan. 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 Hindi po crack yan, ha. Bahay po ng anay yan. Ayan o, tingnan ninyo. Mukha lang siyang crack pero bahay po siya ng anay. Ayan. So pasukin natin yung loob. As is po tayo dito upon turnover. Starting bid price is 2,629,000. So as you can see, mukhang hindi po siya nagamit ng previous owner. Naluma lang po talaga siya. Ayan. Ito yung kitchen niya, ito yung bathroom. Yan, may plastic cover pa yung bathroom. And then dito yung sa likod ng property. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, parang yung bahay ng anay. Pinasok na ng anay. Wala po kasi nagme-maintain dahil matagal po siya na bakante. Yan. So, this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So, akyatin natin yung taas. Ayan. Ayan, sira na yung hagdan niya. So, dito sa second floor, andito yung 3 kwarto. Ayan. So, this is bedroom 1. Ayan. And then bedroom 2. Ayan. And this is the bedroom 3. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin niyo, maayos pa talaga siya, oh. Miski yung kisame, walang watermarks, walang tulo. Ayan. So again, if you are interested to make an offer or bid, please message us directly. Diba? Ayan mga kapitbahay niya, oh. Steel seal na po to. Around 2.6. Ang mga bahay po dito sa New Valley, Santa Rosa, Silang area, Calamba area, mga less than 10 kilometers radius, mga nasa 6 million pataas na. So pag nakuha natin to sa bidding, good deal na po to. So again, if you are interested, please message us directly. Tayo sa clubhouse area nila. Swimming pool. Overlooking. Ganda dito, ha. In fairness. May function area pa dyan. Ganda dito, oh. Diba? May viewing deck.
when you see it,
Turn right.
and if the breakup, kasi minsan very good riddance. Pero sometimes there's a timing, there's a
Turn right. Turn left. Then turn left.
there's a pining for whoever it was who's no longer in your life. And when you take whatever it is that's there.
Turn left. Then turn left.
If it's an old shirt, old whatever that they left,
Turn left. Then turn left.
kind of like hug it, cry a little bit. I actually have a couple